Damn. That was nice. Oh, how's it going, everybody? I'm on my way to work. And in case some of you don't know, I quit my job. And after 10 years, I finally quit my job. And I got a new job now, which I'm very happy with. Pays more money, actually, and the workload is a lot less. So, win-win plus for me, if you want to call it that, whatever. But yeah, anyway, I'm on my way to work, and I wanted to talk about action cameras and what options there are out there. I know everybody's first thought is GoPro, and you know, oh damn, you got ass packed. So everybody's first thought is GoPro, like there's nothing else. And I mean, when it comes down to it, yeah, they're probably the best ones out there, especially the newer, more fancy models. I currently run a Contour Plus 2 or 2 Plus, I don't know how to, and that's the only Contour available with an external mic, which is why I have that. And it's very easy to use. You just slide the little slider thing forward, you're recording. Slide it backwards, turns off, you know. Very simple to use, and I like that. And my problem that I have is just dependability. There's times where my camera doesn't want to record. Full battery, empty SD card, everything's formatted, everything's fine, just doesn't want to record. It'll record for like 10 seconds and then that's it. Holy shit, look at that old plastic cop car. Damn. I gotta get up close for that one. Oh Lord, that's awesome. Wow, dude, you do not see these every day. That is fucking gorgeous. I know some of you might not like that, but I do. And what about that Lincoln, man? Wow. I'm gonna get another view for you guys on the other side. See if I can get around it. When I pass this van, I have a feeling this van wants to come in my lane. Nope, maybe not. I'm a little late for work, and here I am dicking around with this cop car. Stuck behind this fucking van. Come on, man. But anyway, while I try to get around this car, there's a lot of different camera options. You know, there's Contour, there's GoPro, there's all those Chinese brands, there's Ion. And believe it or not, I just found out this morning about Senna, and they actually make a camera too, actually a couple cameras. And I was thinking about getting that new Senna tube Wi-Fi one, but I hear, stay over there, I hear, oh there you go, there's the other side. Man, that thing is in mint condition. Oh my god. See, I wouldn't mind riding one of those. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Very clean. That thing's restored. No way that's original. Unless it might be. I mean, who knows. Anyway. Senna. Oh, Jesus. This fucking van again, man. Alright, now I'm stuck behind this fucker and this guy here. There we go. Now I feel better. Missed a gear on the way to doing that, but hey. So, I thought about getting that Senna tube, but I hear that the quality and all the recording and everything is not the best. I don't know. There was a lot of negative comments as far as the reviews go, and that's kind of a turn down, you know, for me. So I don't know what you guys think. I don't know if you guys have better experiences with what cameras. I've actually, oh yes, I made the light. Oh my god, that never happens. I don't know what experiences you guys have with what cameras. I know sometimes the SD card, the type of SD card you use, not just class 10, but the actual brand name, that can actually affect the performance of the camera. So I don't know what you guys think, what you guys use. Let me know in the comment section what you guys use, what, you know, how well your cameras perform. I had a GoPro, I kept having software issues. I mean, you literally would, if you left the camera on the counter and just pressed record, and just let it be on its own and blew on it, just blow a little air on it, it would just shut off. I don't know, maybe it was the SD card I was using again. Maybe that's a big factor in it. Oh my god, are we gonna make this turn, or are people gonna consider what they're gonna do? There we go. So yeah, so that's where I'm stuck. I want to get a new camera. Maybe I don't have to. Again, maybe my SD card is what's wrong on mine, because sometimes it records, sometimes it doesn't. Which reminds me, because it doesn't want to record, I have to constantly check. Yep, I think it's still recording. Yeah. So, see, I gotta do that because I can't trust the damn thing. Anyway, I'm almost at work. Let me know what you guys think. What cameras you like? What cameras work best for you? What's worked best in the past for you? And if you're true to that company or whoever, let me know. I might eventually change. Come on. I might eventually change my SD card. I'd have to look at the specs of this camera and see. Maybe the SD card is what's wrong. I don't know. But I have a hair in my mouth. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. I'm almost at work, and I will see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.